This is a video of one of my cats who's right next to my tree decides to climb herself in it and be weird. I don't know if she's gonna do it again. She's right there. She's right here. Just walked a little closer so you can see her. Don't you even think about it, Smokey. I dare you. Let's see what happens. There she goes again! She's the weirdest cat I ever have. Get down. Now. Oh. Oh, you monkey. Get down. I don't see you. I can see you. You little monkey. So you can see why I have one of the weirdest cats ever.
Okay, Lucy, come on.
Right though. So the weirdest cats I ever have. Just right there.